Hi guys, greetings of the day. Today we are doing experiment number 5, creating Lambda functions using the AWS SDK for Python. So first log into AWS console and next step, go to the search bar and click on Lambda. So click on Lambda here, then click on the create a function. So make sure it's an author from scratch and give a function name as you want. And runtime, make sure it is Python 3.14. So then create function. So wait for a few seconds. So after creating a function, go to code, click on the code here. So wait for a second. So here, make sure you will give the code. Okay. Change the code here, replace the code. Make sure the indexes are good, the spaces and all. After that, click on deploy. So wait for a second. It is updating the function. After deploying, you have to create a new test. So click on test. Here create a new test. Click on the create a new test event. Then here give a name as you wish and make sure it is in synchronous. Then leave it as it is default. Then click on save. After creating, you have to check the output. So click on this test. So here you can see the status success and you can see the output here. So then next go to monitor, click on monitor. So wait for a second. So here you can see the duration of milliseconds, innovation count. So errors also you can see and success rate. So error is maximum 0 and the success rate is see minimum 100%. So this is the experiment 6. Sorry, this is the experiment 5. And then you have to make sure you delete the lambda because if you didn't delete the lambda, it will be cost. It's just for your practice. Then delete the lambda. Go to lambda. Wait for a second. So here you have to be lambda functions. Okay. So here you can see the your function. Okay. Make sure it got ticked and go to actions, delete. And here you have to type confirm. You have to see they have said type confirm, no, you have to put confirm then delete. So it's deleted. So in this experiment 5 you have learned creation of the function, then put the code of Python and then open the code editor, then write the Python code, deploy the function and then test the function and view the output and see the monitor function. So this is the experiment 5. This is the end of the class. So let's meet at experiment 6. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.